Welcome to our channel, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all you fabulous folks out there who've gracefully crossed the half-century mark. Welcome to a spice-tacular adventure. We've got a little secret that's been hiding in your kitchen, and it's all about turning back the clock on aging. And today we're spilling the beans. Or should I say the cloves? Well, guess what, folks? Cloves are here to take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride. But wait, there's more to these tiny flavor bombs than meets the eye. Not only do they bring a burst of flavor to your chai latte or green tea, but they also come bearing analgesic properties which are a treasure chest of health benefits. You know, folks, most of us over 50 are on a quest to find that magical potion that defies aging. We've tried creams, serums, and even that bizarre yoga pose we saw on TikTok. But little did we know, our kitchen cabinet had the answer all along: cloves. Yes, those tiny, unassuming and oddly shaped things you've been using for holiday baking. These tiny marvels contain antimicrobial, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-candida, and antiparasitic properties which are a treasure chest of health benefits that we are about to unveil. Once again, welcome to Natural Vitality Green, your one-stop channel for health and wellness tips and recipes. Please make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and leave a comment so you never miss out on our latest update. The information on the Natural Vitality Green channel is offered solely for general educational reasons, and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment for any ailment or medical concerns you may have. Please get advice from a physician. It turns out that cloves are like the superheroes of the spice world. Its properties and active ingredients are eugenol, flavanol, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, vitamins A, vitamin B, and vitamin C, omega-3, a blood stimulant, and a powerful aphrodisiac for healthy sleep. They're anti-inflammatory and antioxidants, and they're here to rescue your health. Let's dive into the fantastic benefits they offer. Ah, creaky joints. The struggle is real, especially for those in the fabulous 50-plus club. But fear not, dear viewers, because cloves are here to save the day. These little guys are like tiny WD-40s for your joints, making you feel limber and ready to tackle anything. What was I saying? Oh right. Ever find yourself forgetting where you put your glasses or what day it is? Well, cloves can help with that too. Clove contains an essential oil called eugenol. They're your brain's best friend, helping to keep your memory sharp and your mental faculties intact. With cloves, you'll be the Einstein of the retirement home. It's important to also note that while eugenol and cloves may have potential benefits for brain health, excessive consumption of eugenol or essential oils can be harmful. Like many compounds, moderation is key. High doses can lead to adverse effects. You know you're getting a little older when your heart starts demanding a security detail, but fear not, because our trusty spice cloves is here to be your heart's very own secret service agent. Imagine cloves as your heart's dapper bodyguard, impeccably dressed in a suit and sunglasses, ready to fend off any trouble that comes its way. As we age, the health of our ticker becomes a top priority, and cloves are like the velvet rope protecting the VIP section of your cardiovascular club. They lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even keep your ticker ticking like a well-oiled machine. So your heart can keep on thumping while you dance the night away, or at least until bedtime. Do you know what another word for clove is? If I may inquire, where did this tiny marvel come from? Ah, cloves, the spice with an identity crisis. It turns out that the name clove is a bit of a nail-biter, quite literally. You see, it's derived from the Latin word for nail, clavus, probably because of its teeny-tiny nail-shaped appearance. Who knew that these little spices were such trendsetters in the world of haute cuisine fashion? But wait, there's more. Cloves are the international playboys of the spice world, and they go by many names in different languages. They're like the spice world's James Bond, but with more flavors and less espionage. In Mandarin Chinese, they're ding xiang, in Hindi, they're long, in Spanish they're clavo, and in French they're the super stylish clou de girofle. Cloves are so fancy that they even have a chiodo di garofano in Italian, cornafil in Arabic, and they're known as nelka in German. It's like they have a passport filled with stamps from all around the world. And honestly, who wouldn't want to travel with cloves? Originally, clove is native to Indonesia, Cengkeh cengkeh, and its scientific name is Syzygium aromaticum. It will interest you to know that it has been used traditionally by midwives to massage a woman's abdomen before childbirth, and used for several pain reliefs, especially labor pain and toothache. Oh no, not again. A sensitive tummy can be a real buzzkill, but cloves can save the day. They're like a superhero sidekick to your digestive system, combating indigestion, gas, and bloating. So no more awkward moments at the dinner table. Cloves have your back and front. Now you must be wondering, how do you incorporate these amazing cloves into your life? Well folks, it's simpler than pie. Or should I say simpler than a clove-studded apple pie. You can infuse your favorite dishes and teas, or even just chew on a clove like a wellness-savvy pirate. You can also get the same effect from chewing cloves by taking eugenol-infused supplements. Check the link in the description for some of the best clove supplements available. And there you have it, the incredible anti-aging ally cloves. So, if you're ready to sprinkle some spice in your life and age like a fine wine, you wouldn't mind giving cloves a chance. But wait, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got more amazing and quirky insights to share with you. Plus, who wouldn't want a daily dose of laughter and wisdom? And remember, age is just a number. Until next time, stay young, stay fabulous.